MindCast is on a mission to make core principles in science and mental wellness and flourishing accessible, approachable, and actionable. And it's collaborating with the SPARC Foundation to create comprehensive wellness resources that integrate the science of well-being with the science of teaming. In this and upcoming workshops, we'll explore the need-to-know science and practical tools to enhance mental, social, and teaming wellness in our personal and professional lives. A little foundational education could go a long way in working smarter and not harder, leading to increased productivity, efficiency, collaboration, and innovation. So let's get started. Before we jump into the workshop, let's take a few moments to connect to where we are right here and now. In today's fast-paced society, slowing down can seem almost impossible. With endless tasks and responsibilities vying for our attention, it can often feel like there's no time to simply be. The constant rush can leave us feeling overwhelmed and disconnected. But here's the paradox. By taking a moment to practice being in the present, we actually enhance our ability to do better. When we pause to be present in the here and now, something remarkable happens. Our focus sharpens, our stress levels decrease, and our productivity improves. This brief moment of intentional awareness of the present allows us to reset, to clear the mental clutter, and to approach our tasks with a renewed clarity and energy. So, as we begin, let's take the opportunity to slow down and embrace the power of being present. By doing so, we set the stage for a more effective and productive engagement with whatever lies ahead. Find a comfortable seat. You can sit in the chair with your feet flat on the ground, or if you prefer, sit cross-legged on the floor. Rest your hands gently on your lap or knees with your palms open. Allow the eyes to close if that feels comfortable, or soften the gaze to a single location towards the ground and blink naturally. If at any point the practice feels uncomfortable, please feel free to open your eyes or step away if you need to. Whatever you do, do what feels right for you. Begin by taking a few natural breaths, inhaling slowly through the nose if that feels comfortable, and allowing the abdomen to expand. Noticing the top of the breath here at the abdomen for a moment, and following the natural exhale slowly through the nose. Allowing the body to move and follow the out-breath. And then at the bottom of the exhale, gently noticing the bottom of the breath here. And repeat this a few more times. Noticing the top of the breath and the bottom of the breath. Next, guiding your attention to the body, starting from the top of the head. Slowly scan downwards, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. As your mind becomes aware of these areas, imagine sending your breath there, leaning into the tension and pausing in the in-breath and gently releasing any tightness with each exhale. Continue scanning down towards your shoulders, the chest, the abdomen, the legs and the feet. Just being curious here with what you're noticing. Now, shifting the focus to your mind, allowing yourself to be curious about this experience. What physical sensations did you notice? What thoughts or feelings are present? Approaching each observation with a sense of objective curiosity, as if you're exploring them for the first time. Reminding yourself that curiosity is about embracing the unknown with an interest and acknowledging judgments with the same curiosity, simply as other physical, mental, and emotional sensations. Next, inviting a sense of openness to new ideas and perspectives. Acknowledging and letting go of any preconceived notions or biases. Attempting to imagine your mind ready to absorb and integrating new information. And if anything is feeling hesitant here, acknowledging and being willing to exist with this too, with a greater awareness. Finally, bringing your awareness to a state of alertness, feeling the sensations within your body, the subtle vibrations of being alive, your heart beating, your breath. Imagine turning up the dial on your mental focus, sharpening your attention, and using the breath to engage in this alertness of the mind. Taking one final deep breath in and exhaling slowly. And when you feel ready, gently opening your eyes or lifting your gaze and bringing this attuned awareness now into the next moments of your life.